Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to speak on a topic, and the topic of this video is how to become a fluent English speaker. At first, let's understand the definition of a fluent English speaker. A fluent English speaker is a speaker who speaks English fluently, clearly and confidently. If you are able to speak clearly, you can convey your thoughts, you can express yourself clearly, you don't feel hesitation, you don't hesitate while speaking. You speak clearly, so you are a fluent English speaker. You don't stop again and again, so you are a fluent English speaker. We all have understood the definition of a fluent English speaker. Now let's understand how we can speak fluently. In order to speak fluently, we need to do a lot of things like speaking, listening, speaking, reading and writing, practicing. At first, let's understand listening. We have to listen to a lot of contents, we have to listen to a lot of audios, videos, speeches, we have to listen to a lot of movies, a lot of speeches, we have to read. So I was talking about listening. So we have to listen. When we listen, we get so many words, we get so many structures, and we feel happy that we learn. Listening gives us learnings. We learn when we listen. So I have talked about listening, and now I'm going to talk about speaking. So in order to become a fluent English speaker, one thing that we all need to do a lot, that is speaking. Speaking is something that we have to do a lot more than listening, more than writing, more than reading. One thing that you have to do, that is speaking. Speak as much as you can. Speak a lot. Speak on different topics. Find so many topics and speak on those topics. I have talked about speaking, and now I'm going to talk about reading. You have to read newspapers, you have to read books, you have to read articles, you have to read so many things. When you read, you get so many words, so many structures. So read, and reading gives you boldness, reading gives you confidence, and reading gives you so many good things, I can say. So read as much as you can. And I'm going to talk about writing. Writing is also important. So in order to become a fluent English speaker, we need to listen, understand. We have to listen, speak, read and write. One more thing that we have to do in order to become a fluent English speaker, that is think. We have to think in English. Develop a habit of thinking in English. I'm doing this. After doing this, I will do this, that. I will eat. I will go there. I will go there. I will do this work. I will do that work. When the thoughts in your brain are in English, it helps. Develop a habit of thinking in English. Think in English. Thinking in English is also important in order to become a fluent English speaker. And one more thing, that is consistency. Become consistent. We have to be consistent. If we are not consistent, for an example, you worked for 3 hours, not 3 hours, you worked for 3 months, you improved your fluency. After 3 months, if you stop speaking English, you will lose your fluency. So if you don't want to lose your fluency, you have to keep speaking for at least 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You have to speak every day. Then only you will not lose your fluency. If you stop speaking, if you don't remain consistent, if you become inconsistent, you will lose your fluency, and your hard work, all your hard work will go in vain. So if you don't want your hard work to go in vain, you have to be consistent. So consistency is important. And most of us, all of us know that we have to listen, speak, read, write, we have to practice. We all know, still we don't do. What is the reason? Lack of passion, lack of obsession. We have to be obsessed, we have to be passionate. When you are passionate about learning, learning becomes enjoyment for you. You have to learn how to convert learning into enjoyment. Passion converts your learning, passion converts the process of learning into enjoyment, entertainment. when you are passionate about learning, you definitely convert your learning into entertainment. So you have to understand, you have to ask yourself what things you can do, by doing what things you can convert your learning into entertainment. So you have to entertain yourself. If you don't entertain yourself, you will feel bored, you will feel like giving up, you will stop, you will not learn, you will not be a fluent English speaker. So become passionate about learning, become obsessed about learning. Okay, do these things, become consistent, passionate, obsessed, and you can become a fluent English speaker. Even after becoming a fluent English speaker, keep listening to so many lectures, so many speeches on YouTube. Go on YouTube and search speeches. Just search this much, and you will find so many videos. In those videos, there will be so many speeches, so many English speeches of so many people. You can watch them, you can listen to them, and you can get advantages when you listen. So do it, and I hope that I have answered your question and you have understood how you can become a fluent English speaker. Okay, so after becoming a fluent English speaker, okay, you have to inspire others also. Okay, so I have told you this much. I think that I should end this video, and I am going to speak on another topic in my another video. Thank you so much.